Yeah. Hey, Team Backpack. Honored and forever grateful. 2014 audition. Let's get it. I'm going all in. Back with a better step. Back like I never left. I'm right, I am never left. There's a fire inside my chest, a desire to be the best fighter into the depth. And I'm always hell before it's quiet on the set. See, I'm here with a different plan. What you see is a different man. Gaining the upper hand, I will do it because I can. After it all, I got my eye on the prize, trying to give me a slice. I got my eye on the pie, wishing to tell the truth, but that's a lie in disguise. Cause everybody's got something that they trying to hide. I know that I've made mistakes, but it's never too late. Got to do what it takes. These obstacles in my way do nothing but give me strength, nothing but feel my take. And I think that my take is full. I've been sitting here to break the rules. So while you sitting there trying to catch your breath, just think you ain't even heard the best thing yet. Let's go, Team Backpack.